In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on-screen arrows using right-click, drag, and modifier keys. This is a quick way to point things out during demos, walkthroughs, or live calls without switching tools. I'll walk you through how to draw a basic arrow, change its color with modifier keys, and clear your drawings when you're done. First, let's draw a simple arrow. Place your cursor where you want the arrow to start. Press and hold the right mouse button, then drag toward the destination point. As you drag, imagine you're pulling the arrow from its tail to its tip. Release the right mouse button at the target, and a basic arrow should appear pointing exactly where you stopped. If you see a context menu pop up instead, it usually means the right click was released without a drag. Try pressing the button, moving the mouse a little, and then releasing. Trackpad users can simulate a right click with a two-finger click or by enabling secondary click in system settings. Now let's add color using modifier keys. To get consistent results, hold the modifier key first, then right-click and drag while keeping that key held down. Shift plus right-click and drag typically draws a red arrow, great for urgent highlights. Control plus right-click and drag often produces a blue or green arrow, useful for calmer callouts or layering multiple arrows. Alt or Option on Mac plus right-click and drag can generate another color, such as yellow or green, which helps differentiate steps or categories. Color assignments can vary by app or browser, so test each key briefly to learn which color you get in your setup. If Control conflicts with your system's context menu behavior, try using a mouse with a dedicated right button or adjust your input settings. When it's time to clean up, a left click may clear your drawings. Depending on your tool or browser gestures, it might remove the most recent arrow or wipe them all. Because this behavior can differ, it's smart to click once on a blank area to see what clears before drawing a lot of arrows. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make your drag a single, steady motion so the arrowhead lands precisely where you want it. Keep the cursor inside the active window. Dragging outside can cancel the gesture. If nothing appears, check whether your site or app supports this drawing feature and that no extensions are intercepting right-click drags. That's it. Practice a few times, learn your color keys, and you'll be annotating cleanly and fast.